Millions of years ago, long before modern turtles existed, their ancestors looked very different. These early relatives resembled lizards or frogs and lacked the hard protective shells we associate with turtles today. Over time, these animals evolved and their bodies underwent remarkable changes to develop the iconic turtle shell. The evolution of the turtle shell began with changes to the ribs. In early turtle ancestors, the ribs started to grow wider and flatter. This transformation likely occurred as an adaptation that offered better shielding from predators and enhanced stability for their semi-aquatic lifestyle. Instead of curving around the chest like human ribs, they began to spread out, forming a broad, shield-like structure, the first step toward creating a shell. One of the earliest known turtle relatives, Odontochelys, lived about 220 million years ago. It had a fully formed plastron but only a partial carapace. The plastron was made of modified bones, including the collarbones and belly ribs, and was covered with tough keratinized plates called scutes. Scientists believe the plastron developed first because it safeguarded the turtle's vulnerable underside, especially in water where attacks from below were common. Modifying the collarbones and belly ribs into a plastron was also a simpler evolutionary step than transforming the ribs and vertebrae into carapace. Over time, turtles like Odontochelys evolved a complete carapace. This back shell was formed from the widened ribs and additional dermal bones that grew in the skin. The carapace and plastron eventually connected at the sides, creating the fully enclosed armor we see in modern turtles, providing comprehensive protection and structural integrity. This evolutionary innovation served multiple functions beyond defense. In a world full of predators, having a hard shell gave turtles a significant survival advantage. Additionally, digging and slowness may have played important roles in shaping the turtle shell. Many early turtles were likely burrowers or diggers, and a wider, flatter carapace would have aided these activities. For slow-moving animals like turtles, a robust shell compensated for their lack of speed, offering energy efficiency and helping them blend into their environment while moving steadily over uneven terrain. Turtles are unique because their ribs are part of their shell. Most other animals, like humans, need flexible ribs to help them breathe and move. Turtles, however, have a different way of breathing that doesn't rely on rib movement. Instead, they use special muscles inside their shell along with movements of their limbs and neck to breathe. The turtle shell is an incredible example of evolution in action. It developed step by step over millions of years, transforming from modified ribs to the complete protective structure we recognize today. This unique adaptation has made turtles one of the most resilient and successful groups of animals on Earth. So, the next time you see a turtle, remember, its shell isn't just a home, it's a masterpiece of evolution. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.